Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making a different kind of video. We're having some issues with our snowblower and we are in November already, so anytime we'll start getting snow here in Canada. So we need to fix this thing. I've done my investigation, I got the parts, and hopefully I'll be able to fix this part onto the snowblower now. This snowblower is by Poulan Pro. We bought it a couple of years back at Costco. Machine is still almost brand new. We hardly had any snow, so we didn't use it much. But this panel here, this is a very bad design, and since we bought it, there has been issues one after another. Primarily the issue came with this one, then it came with this one. So this is shoot up, down, this is shoot left, right, and this is the transmission. So this is the final nail in the coffin. It stopped working because the wire under this one, this is stuck in a small plastic tube that is broken, and I cannot change the gears, so I cannot go forward or backwards. So this is the project for today. I have ordered this one. I got this panel brand new for about $100 including shipping, and now we need to see how we can remove this one and how we can put the new one on. My apologies for the mess around here. This is our garage, but there's a lot going on. A lot of stuff needs to go out as donations, and then we have our winter tires down that we need to change. So let me see how we can do this one. So here it is. I'm just doing a general inspection. There are a number of bolts and there are a number of pins that I need to remove from here. I'll make some pictures and videos so that I don't make a mistake. When I'm putting it back, I should know that where things are going. Here are the repairs that I made earlier. Some worked, some didn't. So this repair is still working, but this repair is not working anymore. This is the second one. And what I'm going to do here is I'll just put these back in the same manner so that I don't lose them. This one is quite hard and it's hidden. Okay, it's out. That's good. So here is another one. I'll pull the pin out. It's really hard. Okay, so this pin is out, and let's pull this out. That's how it works. So you can see this is for the chute that I had repaired. This is such a bad quality, very thin plastic here. So the tough ones you can probably use a Allen key, and that should help taking these pins out. Remember one thing, when I release the chute lever, there's no washer in this one, but here's a transmission one, and you can see inside there's a plastic washer, a rubber washer right in there after the spring. So make sure you put it back there. So this thing is out. This is the lever for changing your gears, forward or reverse. So I'm putting everything back the same way it's gonna go on it. Okay. So far so good. It's just tedious little things here and there. I think it's just because of the bad design you have. You know, it's such a bad design to put these levers in. Very cumbersome. If it was a good design, I would have been done with this repair already, but it's just adding to the time. Now there are two panels. I'm going to separate these two panels so that this panel comes off. This is the next task. Okay, this is the last one, I believe. Okay, there we go. Keep in mind there's a spring right here that's holding it. So I'm gonna take it off and this will be released from here. This one is simple hand release, and I'm gonna leave it hanging over here. Let's see if this comes out now. There we go. Man. So let me show you what Husqvarna or Poulan Pro has done on this product. Look at this. It's so flimsy. This plastic is so bad. There must be some reinforcements. I'll check the other product that I've ordered. I hope that they've done some work on it. Look at this. So this totally broke off. You can see that. What is the condition of this one? Hardly used, and this thing is broken already. So look where the screws were. It's already broken. So this came broken from the factory. Basically they over tightened these ones. Look at this. This is broken. So that's where I put the holes and I tried to fix it. So this is a really poor job. If you ask me, I'm not gonna buy this product or buy a product by Poulan Pro or Husqvarna again. Look at this. Okay, here's the new one. So this is the new one that I ordered. With shipping it was about $100, and you can see that it's the same lousy product. So this should be reinforcements here, thick plastic or metal or something that can hold this one when you change your gears or something. Look at this. This one was broken on ours, and this is all bad construction, bad design. Shame on you guys for making this product and selling it for about $1,000, and then the end user has to go through all this. And you guys know it, since this product goes on back order again and again. So many people who have bought this product, they keep on ordering this and changing it. With both panels removed, this is how it's going to look like. Here are the things that have come off of this one. So there are 3 of this kind, and there are 4 of this kind, and there are 2 of this kind, and then the quarter pins. What I've used is a small ratchet, and I've used these keys, and a couple of places I had to use a plier or a nose plier. So that is how it will fit in, and let's see how we can put everything back together. So I removed this clip from the old one and I put it in this one. I had to cut that off. It wasn't coming out. So these wires are already in. Another thing that I've done is the 4 screws which are holding it on either side, those are tightened already. Now I'll move to the next step. So we have everything figured out but one thing. You can see that the chute is working, up and down is working, left, right is working. This is the transmission one. And when I put this in place, there is this much distance there. So I cannot just pull it out and do that, because that clip has to go in. So there is about 1 inch, 1.5 inch distance between the wire where I need to hook it up. So I just looked up online, and other people have this problem and they're trying to figure out. There's another video I found for which we need to actually open the hood and then try to fix that. So I think I'll have to come back to this one. I'm not sure how I'm gonna fix this problem, but I have no way to fix this at this point in time. I'll have to investigate it further. Alright, so we fixed the snowblower the other day, and I made a video that one. This is the moment of truth. Everything is fixed. This is the first time we're starting it after that. And you can see this is a perfect time to start it. -23 out there, a lot of snow in our driveway. We need to clean up all that. Let's give it a shot. Choke is on, stop is on, key is in, gas is on. I'm gonna pull some gas in. Okay. So since this is an electric start, that makes things easier. The electric wire is in, and I'm gonna press this button to start it. Run is on. Let me put some more gas in.